In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently pin your Google Calendar to your taskbar, making it easily accessible with just one click. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Google Calendar. If you're logged into your Google account, you should see your calendar quite quickly. If not, you might need to sign in. Google Calendar is a great tool to keep track of your schedule, appointments, and important events. Having quick access to it can make your day a bit more organized and productive. Once you're on your Google Calendar, turn your attention to your browser's upper right corner. That's where you'll find the Customize and Control Google Chrome option. It usually appears as 3 vertical dots. This menu is your gateway to various features and settings that can enhance your browsing experience. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of options. From this list, look for the option that says Cast, Save, or Share, depending on what exactly you see, and give it a click. This feature is quite versatile. Not only can you cast your screen to other devices, but you can also save and share web pages in various formats. Today, we're going to focus on creating a shortcut. Now let's move on to creating that shortcut. Not only does creating a shortcut simplify access to often used sites, but it also ensures you don't have to open your browser and type in the URL every time you want to access your calendar. Click on the option that allows you to create a shortcut. A folder window will pop up displaying various options and areas on your computer. Here, you can choose exactly where to place your shortcut. For ease of access, we want this to be visible on your desktop or your taskbar. Now, right-click on the calendar shortcut within that folder. A context menu will show up, providing various additional options to manage how you want your files or shortcuts to behave. In that menu, you'll find the Pin to Taskbar option. Go ahead and click on it. Pinning it will ensure that your Google Calendar stays right at the bottom of your screen, where you can always see it, no matter what application you're running. And there you go, a shortcut to your Google Calendar is now on your taskbar, making it incredibly easy to access anytime. Whether you're scheduling a meeting, checking availability, or just organizing your week, everything is now just a click away. By following these steps, you've effectively upgraded your desktop experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this simple trick saves you a lot of time in the future. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.